The holiday season is fast approaching, and what better way to show your love and appreciation than by giving handmade gifts? DIY Christmas gifts offer a personal touch that store-bought items can't match. Whether you're on a budget or just looking to add a personal flair to your presents this year, there are plenty of creative and thoughtful DIY ideas to make your gifts unforgettable. Let's dive into some unique and fun DIY Christmas gift ideas for 2024 that are sure to impress your friends and family. One of the most popular categories for DIY Christmas gifts is home decor. Personalized decor items are both functional and meaningful, making them great gifts. You can create custom pieces such as a hand-painted canvas print with a meaningful quote or a simple, elegant wall hanging made with macrame or yarn. For those with a bit of woodworking skill, a handcrafted wooden sign with a family name or a holiday message adds warmth to any home. Another great option is making personalized candles. Start by choosing scents that are loved by the recipient, and add a touch of essential oils or dried flowers for a unique twist. You can also craft a decorative tray by repurposing an old wooden frame or adding paint and handles to a piece of reclaimed wood. Not only will your loved ones appreciate the thought and effort that went into these gifts, but these home decor pieces can bring a touch of charm to their homes during the holiday season. If you are looking to take it a step further, consider creating hand-painted plant pots or vases. Pair them with some indoor plants for a delightful and sustainable gift. For a rustic touch, you could also repurpose old wooden crates or pallets to create stylish storage units or wall organizers, perfect for any home. These home decor gifts are not only creative but also meaningful, allowing the recipient to have a functional piece that adds beauty to their living space. Whether it's a small tabletop piece or a large statement item, these DIY gifts will surely make an impact. Finally, you could try creating custom woven throw blankets or scarves. These handmade accessories are practical and incredibly personal, making them perfect for chilly winter nights. By choosing the right yarn and color, you can easily match them to the recipient's taste and home decor. Whether it's for a family member or a close friend, handmade home decor gifts are sure to be a hit this Christmas. For a more interactive gift, consider a DIY photo frame or shadow box, personalized with the recipient's favorite memories or themed around the season. These customized frames or memory boxes make heartfelt presents that can be cherished for years to come. To make it even more unique, decorate the frame with embellishments like buttons, ribbons, or paint to match the personality or style of the recipient's home. These small details show the thoughtfulness behind the gift, making it something they will treasure forever. If these DIY Christmas gift ideas sparked some creative inspiration, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love making personal, handmade gifts for the holiday season. Food gifts are always appreciated, especially when they come from the heart. Homemade candies and treats not only make for delicious gifts, but also show your creativity and care. One of the easiest yet most thoughtful options is homemade fudge. You can customize the flavors to suit different tastes, whether that's classic chocolate, peanut butter, or salted caramel. Add a little flair with festive sprinkles or crushed candy canes to make it extra holiday-inspired. Other popular DIY treats include homemade cookies, such as gingerbread, snickerdoodle, or peppermint bark. Packaging them in a beautifully decorated mason jar or festive tin makes them even more special. For something a little more decadent, try making homemade truffles or chocolate-covered pretzels. These treats can be made in bulk and easily gifted to friends, family, or neighbors. If you enjoy baking, consider creating themed cakes, cupcakes, or pies. A beautiful and personalized cake, decorated with a holiday theme or the recipient's favorite flavor, is sure to be a hit. You can even take it a step further by adding a special message, such as a personalized birthday cake or holiday greeting. If you're short on time but want to give something special, a batch of homemade granola or a DIY cookie mix in a jar can be an excellent solution. These jars can be tied with a bow and labeled with baking instructions for a fun and thoughtful gift. If you're looking to do something unique, consider crafting your own flavored popcorn mixes. Sweet or savory, these popcorn blends can be customized to match the recipient's taste, and the best part is they are easy to make. Think of pairing popcorn with chocolate, caramel, or even a blend of spices for an unexpected treat. It's an edible gift that's both fun and delicious and can be a great stocking stuffer or party favor during the holidays. Which DIY gift idea will you be trying this year? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what creative gifts you're planning to make for your loved ones. Personalized wearable gifts are an excellent way to show someone you care while giving them something they'll use regularly. Whether it's a custom sweater, hand-knitted scarf, or a pair of embroidered gloves, wearable gifts can be both thoughtful and stylish. A personalized hoodie or t-shirt, adorned with a fun quote or custom graphic, will surely be appreciated by friends or family members who love to wear comfortable, cozy clothing. Another idea is to create a custom knit scarf or blanket using colorful yarn and knitting techniques. This is a great project for someone who enjoys knitting or crocheting. You can make a soft, warm scarf in the recipient's favorite colors, adding patterns or embellishments like pom-poms, tassels, or embroidery to give it a personal touch. These wearable gifts are sure to keep them warm during the colder months, while reminding them of your thoughtfulness. For a more unique wearable gift, consider making personalized jewelry. Whether it's a charm bracelet, necklace, or pair of earrings, these items can be customized to match the recipient's style and personality. You can even create a family-themed piece with birthstones or initials to make the gift extra special. For those who enjoy a bit of DIY crafting, creating custom beaded jewelry or friendship bracelets can be a fun and meaningful way to give a personalized gift. Another option is to customize a set of slippers or socks with embroidery or fabric paint. You can personalize them with a monogram or a quirky design to reflect the recipient's taste. These cozy, personal gifts are perfect for anyone who loves to snuggle up and stay warm, and they can also serve as a great reminder of the thoughtfulness behind the gift. For more DIY projects and holiday gift inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're always updated with our latest videos. Customized stationery and paper goods make excellent DIY Christmas gifts, especially for someone who enjoys writing or organizing. You can create personalized notepads, journals, or planners that will help the recipient stay organized throughout the year. A simple, yet meaningful gift, a hand-bound notebook with their name or a special quote inscribed on the cover can be used for everything from journaling to making to-do lists. If the recipient loves writing letters, a set of personalized stationery makes a great gift. You can create custom note cards or letterhead with their initials or a fun design. Paired with a nice pen or pencil, this thoughtful gift is perfect for anyone who enjoys sending handwritten notes. Personalized greeting cards are also a great option for the holiday season. You can craft a set of beautifully designed Christmas or New Year's cards, adding personal messages or custom illustrations that capture the recipient's personality or interests. For the DIY enthusiast, creating personalized scrapbooking supplies or a custom album is a unique and thoughtful gift. This can be filled with memories of holidays spent together, family photos, or other treasured moments. Another idea is crafting a custom calendar. You can design each month with personalized images, quotes, or memories that reflect the recipient's taste and lifestyle. Whether it's for family members or friends, customized stationery gifts are always well received, especially when they're designed with thoughtfulness and creativity. To make it extra special, consider adding a DIY pen holder or a set of high-quality writing instruments. This can complete the gift and make it feel even more personalized and functional. Customized paper goods can also be a way to reflect the recipient's hobbies, such as a sketchbook for an artist or a recipe binder for someone who loves cooking. Check out our DIY Christmas playlist for even more crafty ideas, from unique gifts to festive decorations that will make this holiday season extra special. DIY Christmas gifts bring an unmatched level of thoughtfulness to the holiday season. Want to recreate these DIY Christmas gifts at home? Head to the description for links to all the supplies used, so you can start crafting your own personalized gifts this season. From homemade home decor to personalized kitchen gifts and everything in between, these ideas allow you to express your creativity while showing your loved ones how much you care. Whether you're crafting something for your closest family members, friends, or neighbors, your handmade gifts are sure to be appreciated and remembered for years to come. This year, take the time to create something truly special and enjoy the satisfaction